Hi, fifth grade. So I'm just making a video to go over the homework again and show you what to do. So if you go to your classroom on Google Classroom, click on classwork, and then go to week 16 assignment, and then press view assignment, then instructions. And what I want you to do this week is to go to timesforkids.com. You can click on the link here and pick an article to read. So let's do that first. Okay, here's what the website looks like. If I want to change how easy or hard it is to read, you can just click on the different grade levels. I want you to try 5, 6 first, but if that is not working out, try 3 to 4. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down, see what looks interesting to me. There's this article called Breaking News that we talked about in class. I'm going to do a different article for our video. This one looks cool, Positively Happy. All right, let's read this. So I see the title, which is Positively Happy. It's written on December 18th, 2020, and it's by this person, Brian S. McGrath. Okay. Good times. Reflecting on positive moments you have shared with loved ones can make you happy. That's what it says under the picture. One night before bed, Christine Carter was sitting with her daughter in her lap. They were making a list. 3 good things of the day. Her daughter, who was braiding Carter's hair, said, "Mom, this is going to be one of my 3 good things." Making a list was their way of reflecting on things they were grateful for. It's a technique based in an expanding field of research known as the science of happiness. Carter is a sociologist at the University of California, Berkeley. She studies how schools and families can foster positive emotions and help kids lead healthier lives. This has become especially important during the coronavirus pandemic, with many kids feeling isolated. Most kids don't know this, but they're grieving, Carter told Time for Kids. They've missed out on important events. Many have lost people in their lives. Finding the positive doesn't mean never being sad. It means understanding that feeling sad is natural and that it passes more quickly if we can notice the good things in life. This is really about mental health, Carter says. We can practice bringing happiness to ourselves. It's like putting money in the bank. We can be ready to cope with hard times in the future. How to be happy. A key step toward happiness is learning how to describe emotions, even negative ones. Feeling blue? It's better to embrace the emotion than to ignore it. Ask yourself, what do I feel? Where in my body am I feeling it? Does it have a color or shape? Expressing gratitude is also important, Carter says. Let's say you often bicker with a brother or sister. Reflect on why you're grateful for that person. Remember the good times. This makes it likely you'll get along better tomorrow. But the surest way to happiness is kindness. Helping others gives life purpose, Carter says, because you are changing the world. Even more, we feel a sense of connection and love, she adds. We are hardwired to feel better in community. Our nervous systems feel safe when we're connected with other people. Take care. Here are some things you can do every day to be happier. Take deep belly breaths. Write down things you're grateful for. Talk with a friend. Do something kind for someone. Exercise, eat well, and get enough sleep. Okay, so now that I've read my article, let's go back to our homework instructions and see what we have to do. Okay, that's not it. Here we go. Email Miss G with the name of the article you read, the author's name, and the date it was published. Tell me what the article is about in at least 2 to 3 sentences. Share what your article is about with the class next week. Please comment on this post if you have questions. You have to email me in order to get the points. So, a lot of things to do. But first thing I'm going to do, and so after I make this video, you'll be able to see it on Google Classroom. It will be posted as material. But I made a news homework script. So this is what you can use to help you write what you are going to send me in the email. So first thing I need to write is the title of the article. So I have the title, the article I chose is called, and all I have to do is fill in this blank. So first thing I'm going to do is delete this, or I can actually just copy the words on the bottom. in my own words. The article I chose is called, now we have to go back to the article to remember, Positively Happy. It is by, that's the second sentence I have in my script. So now I'm going to insert the author's name. Brian S. McGrath. Okay, our third sentence in the script says it was written on blank. So we have to write it was written on. And now we have to go back to the article and find the date. That's not the right article. December 18th, 2020. Our fourth sentence says it is about. So we have to write it is about. And then this article is about how to be happy, right? So let's write it is about how we can be happy even in hard times, right? It's talking about the coronavirus and mental health. And then our last sentence says, I learned that. So I'm going to copy that down. I learned that. Then I need to think about it. What did I actually learn from this article? I learned that even when times are hard, you can still choose happiness by caring for others and yourself. That's what the scientist learned when she did studies. Okay, so now that I've followed my script, I'm going to just copy and paste this into an email. So edit copy, and then go to my email, and then I'm going to type my name, anna.gurgley@cpapk12.org, and then my subject is going to be news homework, and then all I have to do is paste, and then I'm done. Send. Alright, so if you need help with this, please come to office hours tomorrow at 11:45 or Monday at 2 p.m. Bye, 5th grade. See you soon.